I am the fastest rapper alive. You don't believe me? I gotta do better. I said, no, what I gotta do for the what I gotta do for the if you don't believe me, why subscribe and put in slow speed. Cause you better not subscribe and hit that follow button. Let's go. What's up? What's up, Skyler fam? What you doing today? Oh, I like flower. I like